hope you're doing well and welcome back to the channel. Today I have some time, so I have to do a self-care moment. I have to sit here, play with my beautiful makeup products, do a makeup look, film my video, talk to you guys and just enjoy myself. I have to put on these beautiful mermaid earrings before starting with the makeup. I found these earrings online. This is what some people would call plastic garbage. I call them mermaid earrings. My skin's moisturized, it's glowing. I'm wearing a floral body spray, so I smell very nice. I feel good. Let's start with the foundation. This is my eSpoir cushion foundation. It's almost empty, so I'm just going to finish up whatever's left in it that I can dig up, and then I'll pop in the refill. I really like cushion foundations because it's so convenient, like a foundation, makeup puff, mirror, all in one. You can carry it on the go, you can do a touch up. It also have a lot of skincare ingredients, so the foundation feels very nice, looks very nice, and it's very convenient to carry around. But what I hate is that they always discontinue the foundations. Like this year they bring out this foundation. When you buy it, it comes as a refill. You finish the refill up, and then when you try to purchase a new refill, the company already bring out the next new cushion foundation, and the cushion foundation won't fit your old cushion foundation, so you just have like an empty shell that sits in your makeup collection. I like the idea of cushion foundations. I like to use them. I like the idea of refilling. I just hope they always make the refill option available, so you can always refill the original cushion foundation that you bought. I have a lot of empty cushion cases sitting around in my collection because the original product was discontinued. I can't refill the product anymore, and the new products released by the brand, they don't fit the old cushion case. So I just have a bunch of empty cushion cases that I can't do anything with. They're still nice for compact mirrors though. This cushion is retiring. Let's pop in the new one. Here's a brand new puff and the cushion. Let's pop it in. Ta-da! I got a brand new cushion. Skin's looking great. Now let's move on to eyebrows. This is my Etude House brow gel. I dyed my hair. Well, I think they're too dark to call them blonde, but they're too light to call them brown. So let's just stick with light brown. I dyed my hair light brown, so now I'm going to dye my eyebrows light blue as well. My dad don't like how colored eyebrows look on me. He said it looks weird. Brush it. Like how it really changes my look once I colored my eyebrows. Colored eyebrows make me look like a whole new person. Also, please excuse the brightness. It's still very sunny outside. I'll set my under eyes with this beautiful unicorn powder from Flower Nose. The embossment is already gone. Guys, I have a look in mind for today. So a few days ago, I was inspired by the color of the year, Viva Magenta, right? And I did a kind of like a berry magenta look, and I really like how it turned out, but I can't film a short with it. There's a lot of layering and stuff, and I can't fit it all in a 1-minute video, so today I'm going to film a long get ready with me while I recreate this look. I really like how it turned out. You know I really like the look when I film a long dedicated video to it. So the palette we're going to use today is a Colourpop Bye Birdie palette. Give some love to the palette that nobody talks about from Colourpop. I feel like Colourpop releases are either hit or miss. There's collections that comes out where everyone talks about them, it's maybe a famous collaboration, people love it, and then there are palettes they release every other week and then nobody cares about them, nobody talk about them. This is an older palette from back then when Colourpop didn't have a release every single week. I'm going to do the classic, use one brush for everything, so let me clean my brush real quick. I'm going to start off with this beautiful light pink as a base. Just blend it over my eyelid as a base. So right now it's a Lunar New Year holidays. Do you guys celebrate Lunar New Year where you're from? I'm going to take this next light pink color and starting to build up the pigment. This year is the year of the rabbit. I was thinking I should do like a rabbit makeup look, or maybe just like a pink or red eyeshadow look with a rabbit on the side. I can use white eyeliner for the base for the rabbit and then just red eyeliner as a rabbit's eyes. I haven't planned a look yet, but we'll see. Taking this next shade, darkening up the outer corners. It's also almost Valentine's Day. I should do a Valentine's Day makeup look. You guys remember mine from last year? It was a pretty love is in the air look. I love how that one turned out. I like to always bring the eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well for a monochromatic look, and I'm too lazy to pick a new brush. So this is a tip. You pinch the brush and then it becomes flat, and now you can use it on the lower lash line. Oh well, I forgot what I was doing. You actually need 3 makeup brushes for this look. Now I'm taking this flat angled brush for eyeliner. I'm taking this very beautiful Viva Magenta, berry magenta color, and I'm going to use that as eyeliner. So Pantone decided the color of the year for 2023 is Viva Magenta. I like the color, but I feel like I don't see that much in life. I feel like every time when the color of the year is released and announced, people will talk about it, hype it up, but then during the year, nobody really cares about the color of the year. Just use the eyeshadow to create a wing. You can create it however big or small you want. I like to use whatever is left on the lash line here to darken it up. Now let's have some fun with the shimmers. I want to take this one first and then put that on my eyelid. That's super pretty! It's like a pink goldish shimmer. Then let's take some of this dark purple shimmer and put it near the lash line. I actually don't like dark shimmer colors, but I feel like if it's in the palette, I should use it. Don't want to leave it untouched all the time. That's cute. Keep some paper with you so you can do the one finger for all technique. Now let's move on to this shade, such a pretty shimmer. I like how sparkly the look is. Now to add an extra little something, we're going to use white eyeliner. This part is optional. I'm going to wet my brush. My eyeliner is water activated. And then we go in there and brush it around. Just a little line by the wing. And another one under the wing. Curling the eyelashes. Now we apply mascara. I love how sparkly my eyes look. If I have to pick between wearing matte eyeshadow for the rest of my life or wearing shimmery eyeshadow for the rest of my life, I'm obviously picking the shimmery one. But the combination of both looks the best. Now for contour, let's use Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin shading powder. I have no idea how long the video is now. I hope I'm not filming a 20 minutes long video, but I'm really just taking my time and enjoying myself right now. I just have a naturally big face. I feel like no contour powder can help with moon face. On days where I take my time and really enjoy myself, taking time playing with my makeup, I like to try nose contour because I really don't see a difference with nose contour on me. I don't feel like I'm doing it right, but I still enjoy doing it sometimes. It's just fun. And it's funny because I got comments saying people also don't really do nose contour because they don't see a difference on themselves. I have a big round nose here on the tip and sometimes I feel insecure about it, and I was thinking about getting a nose job in the future, but I think still sticking to my natural self would be the best. I just need to learn to love myself. There's a lot of people who draw into the thinking of plastic surgery. I've seen a lot on the news, like people who think they have an ugly nose and they go get a nose. Like, who says that I will look good with a slimmer nose? What if I get like a better nose bridge and then I start to think that my cheeks don't match my nose, so I have to go get a cheekbone surgery, and then when I'm done with my cheek and my nose, I think my eyes don't match, then I go do an eye surgery, and then after the eyes I think my lips are too small and I go with a lip surgery, and I just drawing the idea of going to get more and more plastic surgeries to feel better about myself. And there's people I see in the news who ruin their faces because they keep spending a lot of money on cosmetic surgery. I have parts and features of myself that don't like. There will be people who see me and think I'm very pretty. There will be people who I see and think, wow, they are prettier than me. And it's just someone said that we tend to look at the flaws of ourselves but looking at the best parts of other people. So we compare ourselves to other people and then feel insecure about ourselves and goes into a bad loop. I feel bad for a lot of people out there who really feel miserable about themselves, really hate the way they look and go through a lot of surgeries. That was a little bit of deep talk with Palina. Now let's just move on with the makeup. This is my very, very beautiful Flower Nose Strawberry Rococo Embossed blush. You guys know how happy I feel about this blush. I'm so happy when I received it. You guys don't notice, but there's actually a flaw. Look at this black dot. It's under the shell part, so I can't like scratch it. It's not on the surface, it's on the bottom. And every time I look at it, I just think it's such a beautiful piece of artwork, but there's just one black dot ruining the picture. The inside though, this is a piece of beautiful artwork. Let's brush over it and then apply this. This is a very pretty berry colored blush. It looks like a very pretty berry pink, but on the camera it looks way lighter. Like in person it's darker than how it looks on the camera. I like how this pink blush looks. I'm going to wear this to every pink makeup look I create. Blush, blush, blush. Little bit on the nose. The look is coming together. For highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Lightning Dust Fire Crystal. This is on my project pen list. I'm really trying to finish up this highlighter. Oh, excuse the dirty mirror. I'm really trying to finish up the highlighter. Let's use this. I like to put highlighter on my nose, on the non-existent high points of my cheeks. Today I feel like using the blinding shade as well. Oops, excuse the dirty mirror. I'll clean that later. This is extra sparkly. Now finally for the lips, I have 3 options I want to show you guys. The first one, this is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. You guys know I love to wear this lip gloss whenever I'm creating like a purple or pink look or a natural look. I like to wear this beautiful light pink lip gloss. This is my new strawberry lip cream from Flower Nose. Oh, this smells so good. Every time I have this in hand, I have to smell it. This is in the shade, I think it's SO4 Strawberry Moon. Let me just swatching it on my hand. It's also, it doesn't look very pink in the camera. It's actually a very pretty pink color. And finally, we have this one that suits the Viva Magenta the best. This is my NARS lip pigment in the You Are No Good shade. This is a very pigmented magenta flamingo pink color. It actually looks more magenta on my hand. Let's go with this one today. But I don't feel like wearing it full. Let me just blend it out. This color full on is just too strong. And that's it for this video. It was really fun sitting here, really taking my time playing with my makeup products while talking to you guys. I had a lot of fun and I really like how the look turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will have a great Lunar New Year if you do celebrate it. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!